Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming requirements. Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 13 or later because System Dark mode arrives there. Once done, open Settings, go to Display and Brightness, and select Dark or Set Auto to follow Sunset. This flips supported apps instantly. If an app looks wrong, enable Smart Invert or Reduce White Point to soften bright elements. These steps change the overall appearance and let individual apps inherit dark themes without installing extra tools. Next, you address apps that don't follow System Dark. Go to Settings, Accessibility Display, and Text Size, then enable Smart Invert. It preserves images while flipping UI colors, giving a usable dark look. Make sure to also toggle Reduce White Point to reduce glaring whites. At the same time, inspect each app's own appearance or theme setting. Many have independent dark toggles that offer better color palettes. Together, these methods produce consistent dark experiences across most apps. Finally, you finalize and verify the change. Close and reopen apps or reboot the iPhone to ensure theme changes take effect. Keep iOS and apps updated so developers can add native dark themes. Updates often fix misrendered colors. If an app still looks wrong after Smart Invert, disable Smart Invert and rely on that app's internal theme control. This usually restores correct imagery and contrast. If necessary, report the issue to the app developer with screenshots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.